Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have a new humble bundle of interest to game developers. This one is about a 50-50 split between Unreal Engine and Unity, about 30 assets each. This is one of them you see in front of you. This is a cyberpunk alley. You can see it running inside of the Unreal game engine. An idea, this stuff is all incredibly customizable. For example, let's look at this string of lights over here. This is being controlled by a blueprint. We can go ahead, we could have less splines going on, so let's set that down to 4. There you see the results, or if we wanted, we could turn that into, say, 44. And you're going to get a whole lot going on there. And it goes way beyond that. So, for example, here, we've got a number of blueprints. So, again, we got blueprints controlling those wires in the scene, the lanterns, and so on. We also have full buildings. You can see, like, this one right here. Let's drop that into the scene. And then what you're going to see, this building here, we can do things like get rid of a floor entirely. We can change out the roof type of it. So you see up here, the roof that is in action there. We can change that to a different kind of roof. So let's switch that over to 1. There you see different roof type, or 2 or 3 or so on. So everything you see here is pretty modular in nature, and a lot of them have basically blueprints controlling their construction or tools for instantiating things in the scene. Now this one isn't just for Unreal Engine, by the way. We've also got a number of assets over in the Unity game engine, and we've got some duplicates. So here you can see the cyberpunk, even including these trains. I think they have interiors. No, they don't. Trains and so on in this environment. So available for both game engines. On top of that, if you want, you can export out to other game engines such as the Godot game engine. If you're interested in doing that, guides are available down below, but it gives you an idea of the kind of stuff that you are getting in this particular bundle. And here is another example from the bundle. This is a spaceship. Again, completely modular in nature. You're going to see full control panels like so, dynamic control panels. Let me just kind of try and get inside of this guy. There you see, so full cockpits and so on. And I'll just go ahead and run this. You get an idea of just how rigged up these are by checking out the demo. So here you can see first-person style controls. I could just go ahead and move up into this ship. I'll open up the door, and I can actually interact, sit down in the cockpit, and then we can go ahead and actually take off. So the controls for this are just, it's much more than just a bunch of static meshes. You've got a ton of ability here, including basically full flight controls, shooting controls, and so on. So we can yaw, pitch around, we can shoot with the various guns, and so on. I can run into things and essentially blow my ship up, but it gives you an idea. It's not just meshes. There is a ton at work here. So that is another example here. And then here we are back in Unity. This is the medieval castle or village environment. You get an idea. It's gigantic in terms of the amount of stuff you've got going on here. Modular kit for creating interiors and exteriors for a medieval environment. Like you see here. The lighting out of the box is absolutely terrible, though. I don't know why that is the case, but you get an idea of just how much you are getting in this. So everything you see to create an environment like this, or we also have this other Unity project. This one is a pirate-themed kit. So everything you see to create this environment right here, I'm sure this one has been available in some capacity in the past. I know it looks very familiar to me, but gives you an idea of the kind of things that you're getting in this particular bundle. And then finally, here we are back in Unreal Engine. As you can see, the sample scenes just look so much better in Unreal Engine than they do in Unity. I do not know why that is the case, but you get an idea of the quality of these particular assets. There's a lot here. You're getting an absolute ton of assets in this particular bundle, and you can see inside and out. And in this particular case, you can see here, in addition to the castle, you also get this entire kit for doing the surrounding villages and so on. Very impressive stuff. So let's go take a quick look at the bundle itself. So it is called the Battle Hardened Game Asset Bundle. This is all from Hivemind. I would say probably about half of this has never been seen before, at least I think. You're getting some pretty big stuff here. So again, like this military base mega pack for Unreal Engine, you're getting a ton there. In this particular case, this one redeems on Fab. So you can notice anything that's case, Fab key provided. All the Unreal Engine stuff is Fab, whereas all of the Unity stuff is available right here as an asset store key. This you can see right here is a list of all of the assets that you will get for Unity. All of these redeem on the Unity asset store. This is actually a screenshot of my redemption process. And then again, everything else on the Unreal Engine side is redeemed on Fab. Sadly, that does mean you're doing it key by key by key, which is a pain in the butt, but it does enable you to actually go ahead and share those keys with other people if you wish. By the way, if you purchase this bundle, it does help support Game from Scratch, and I appreciate very much if you do so. As you can see, it's organized into 3 tiers. The top tier is $30 US, whereas the entry-level tier is $1. At that level, you are getting the French Village and the Nanite series, which basically just means 3D models, high detail versions, very high polygon counts. And at the median tier, which probably no one's going to buy, you're getting all nanite props. Again, a lot of these I think are repeats, and you're going to notice here, median tier and down, so this about $20-ish tier, everything you're seeing here is Unreal Engine. So if you're here for the Unity stuff, you're here for the full bundle. So what you're seeing here, again, military-based a kit, so modular kit for creating medieval towns. The spaceship, we saw that in action earlier on. And then we've got some VFX for guns. Every one of these, by the way, is a pro key. So that means that it doesn't really matter what amount of money your studio makes. If you're redeeming this, it will work regardless. Realistic blood effects, fog and smoke effects. A lot of, again, kits here. Building systems, modular dungeon building, modular towns available for this one, for example, is both Unity and Unreal Engine. Then we've got Medieval Kingdom. That's the one we saw in action on both. Then we've got the Mountain Temple pack, Native American Village, modular sewers and tunnels, modular Gothic Cathedral, and so on. So you're getting a ton in this pack for $30. More or less, it boils down to if there is a single item here. For example, this is the Cyberpunk kit we saw in action. It alone, so we checked that one out on the Fab Marketplace, you're going to see the price of it, even the personal version, but you're getting the pro version. This is a $215 asset, whereas this is a $30 bundle. So if there is a single item here, even if you are never going to use Unreal or you're never going to use Unity, so you're going to decide a 30-item bundle, it is still one hell of a bargain there. They're saying it's 9,000 Canadian worth of assets. This is always a little bit inflated, but I think if you were going to buy all these things individually, yeah, it would be quite a bit of money. Now, you're never going to buy all of them because you're either going to be an Unreal Engine or a Unity user, but still, even if you look at just half of the value, it's still an amazing deal in that regard. So let me know what you think of the Battle Hardened Game Assets Bundle. Once again, if you use my link down below, it does help support Game from Scratch, and I appreciate that very much. This one seems like a very good level of quality, very good stuff here for the price. I know some people hate having an Unreal Engine or a Unity only bundle, like why won't you do individually? But I think even if they split this in half and charge $30 for it again, it would still be a heck of a deal. So you can just ignore the parts that you're not interested in. And once again, if you are seeing something for Unreal and you want to get it into Unity or Godot, or you see something for Unity, you want to get it Unreal or Godot, do check out the guides down below. They will show you how you can do all of this and more. So don't look at it as, you know, unless it's a duplicate, you could still export it out to your engine of choice. And if you were using another engine, you could still potentially get these out. And at the price, it is worth jumping through those extra hoops. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.